In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your sending time zone in Lemlist. So first log into your dashboard, then next in the left panel, click on your profile, then next is go to settings. And now once inside your account settings, scroll down until you see time zone. So here click on this drop down menu and choose the time zone that you prefer. And instantly your changes will be saved. Now go to campaigns in the left panel. And here on that specific campaign, click on the three dot icon and click on campaign settings. And from here, go to schedules and launch. And this is where you can control when your emails go out. Now under your campaign schedules, you can just toggle this on so that the time zone matches with the one that you set for your account. But if you want to manually modify it, just click on the three dot icon beside the current time zone and click on modify this schedule. So here start modifying the time zone used and days to send, time, and number of reach. And once done, click on Save Changes. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!